Guys, welcome back to our channel, Taste Buds PH. So, today po, gagawa tayo ng ginataang tilapia. So, this is gonna be very easy. Let's start! So, ito po yung ating mga ingredients. We have 1 kilo tilapia, pechay, onions, garlic, and ginger. Then we have 2 cups of coconut milk. We have green chili and vinegar, salt and pepper. Then we just have to add 1/4 cup water. Now here, we're just gonna put in all the ingredients. First, we put some vinegar, then the salt and pepper. Then lagay na rin natin yung ating onions. We also put yung garlic and ginger. So this is the bottom layer nung pan natin. And then after that, lalagay ko na rin yung pechay sa ilalim. Ayusin lang natin. And then saka ko ilalagay yung ating tilapia. There you go. And we'll add the 1/4 cup water. Then pwede na natin siyang isalang sa kalan. Alright, then we just need to cover this one. We'll wait, alright, hanggang maboil. Then don't forget yung chili. Yan sa ibabaw. So after few minutes, once you see na nag-boil na siya, and then half-cooked na rin yung fish, then we can put na yung coconut milk. Alright, so if you can see guys, madali lang siya. Once you put it, pag sinalang nyo na siya, we just have to wait around 10 to 15 minutes para ma-boil. Alright, and then we put the coconut milk. Then after putting the coconut milk, siguro mga around 5 to 10 minutes. Right? So you'd see that's very easy, right? We put all the ingredients together, we wait until maboil, then we put the coconut milk, then ready to serve. Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and put your comments. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye.